Hey guys! Welcome! We left Salvador via ferryboat, passing by the island of Itaparica, and we are now traveling on the BA001 towards Ilhéus, and we are going to make a stop at the PACANDA Grande waterfall. If you like this content, leave that like, and already subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. We have just entered the road that leads to the waterfall, which is located between the cities of Itumbiara and Igrapiúna, on the Costa do Dende. Here is an APA, an environmental preservation area, under the management of Michelin. The waterfall has a waterfall of more than 60 meters in height and is completely surrounded by the Atlantic forest. Admission is free, it has ample parking, and visiting hours are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. I'll leave a little of the road, so you can see how wonderful this access is. Good morning. From the parking lot, it's a 300-meter easy walk to the waterfall. You can already see the PACANDA Grande waterfall from here. Look at the height of this waterfall. Very beautiful waterfall. Children in the water. Let's go. 400 steps. Let's go up.
My God, it's a step. There are many steps.
It is very good. Come. Let's go. Let's climb those 400 steps to see this waterfall from another angle. Let's go upstairs, do the day's exercise. We're ending up here. The staircase.
Oh, it's in half.
I don't think so. Now yes.
Agora sim.
We are
estamos
reaching
chegando
the end of the
ao
staircase.
final
Look how she is,
da
tired.
escadaria, olha como ela tá, ó. Deu pra cansar, né? Mas pelo que eu tô vendo,
But from what I'm seeing, it's very rewarding. Look at the view from above the PACANDA Grande waterfall.
aqui de cima da cachoeira da Pancada Grande.
We are saying
Estamos nos
goodbye now to the
despedindo agora
PACANDA Grande
da
waterfall.
cachoeira da Pancada Grande. Olha
Look
como
how
ela
she
tá.
is,
Suou,
sweaty,
hein?
hot.
Exercise of the day, but
Vale a
worth
pena
it.
demais. Então é isso aí,
That's it,
galera.
guys. If you liked the video, leave that like, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss the next videos. Bye bye.